Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Deszren. Most people call me Des. Feel free to call me whichever. If you want to see how I did this retwist and style on Dre's hair, then keep on watching. So before I get started, I know someone's gonna say it in the comments. Yes, he's starting to get a teeny weeny bit of buildup towards the roots of his locks, which is perfectly normal considering we use product to retwist his hair. So if you really feel the need to comment on it, do what you gotta do. But I just had to put it out there because a lot of y'all like to tell me things that I already know. Anywho, so I'm doing what I normally do for a retwist. I'm using my Lily of the Desert Aloe Vera jelly. On his hair this time, I used hemp seed oil instead of my mixture of oil, simply because I forgot to bring it. And of course, I'm using rose water as well. I'm doing the method that I've been doing on my hair as far as retwisting goes, just retwisting around my finger, as you can see right here. And then to do the 2-strand twist, I'm twisting counterclockwise. If you do the 2-strand twist going clockwise, it does not hold the twist that well and it is more likely to unravel. So going counterclockwise is just the best way to go. I'm using a rubber band and I'm not putting it at the very end of his hair, mainly because I don't want there to be any breakage or ripping of his hair when we take the rubber bands out. So that's why you don't see me retwisting all the way down to the end of his locks. Instead of using a clip to keep the first lock that I retwisted in place, I just wrap it around itself like a little roly-poly. You know, like the bugs that roll up on itself? Yeah, I call those roly-polies because I don't really know the real name, but it also kind of looks like a cinnabon if you really think about it. So you're just gonna do that until you've retwisted the other lock that you're gonna twist with it, and then you can just stretch it or just tug on it, and then it will straighten out in order for you to make it into a 2-strand twist.
Perfect.
For real. The first one I looked at, they were like, yeah, 800 down payment, $800 a month. For who? For who? You got the wrong one.
How do you even say something like that to somebody and think that it's okay? Like,
that's what I'm saying. Like they act like I murdered somebody with my damn car. No, I sure did not. Y'all need to relax. Talking about some $800 a month. What? That is robbery. This is the final result of his hair. I'm so happy and proud of how it came out, and I'm definitely going to be showing you guys what it looks like when we take the twist down, because I'm really excited to see how it came out. He's never done a style before, and I'm just happy that he let me do this with his hair. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.